In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two photos in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Photoshop, this guide will help you seamlessly combine your images. Let's dive right into the steps and make sure you have your creative hat on. First, open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you download and install it from the Adobe website. Once it's up and running, the interface might seem a bit complicated at first, but don't worry, we're going to take it step by step. Next, you need to add your two images onto a single canvas. To do this, go to the File menu, click on Open, and select the photos you want to merge from your computer. Drag these files into Photoshop, which will open each one in a new tab. Then simply click and drag one photo onto the canvas of the other image tab, combining both onto a single canvas. This action creates layers for each photo. Think of these layers like transparent sheets that allow us to edit images without affecting the others on the canvas. Now, with both images on the same canvas, you'll want to ensure they are aligned how you desire. Use the Move tool, usually represented by a four-pointed arrow icon, to position each layer where you'd like it. Adjust their placement until they complement each other perfectly, perhaps to create a blend or an overlay effect. With your images positioned, it's time to select the layers for merging. Look over at your layers panel on the right side of the screen. By holding down the Shift key, click on each layer you want to merge together. This action highlights them both, indicating they're ready to be combined. Once you've selected the layers, hover your cursor over the highlighted layers, right-click to bring up a contextual menu, and from here, select the option Merge Layers. This step will join the two layers into one, effectively combining your images into a single cohesive piece. And there you have it, your two photos are now successfully merged into one image. Adjustments can be made post-merge, such as tweaking the exposure, contrast, or color balance by using the adjustment tools found in the Image menu. Don't hesitate to explore these options to enhance your newly merged photo further. That wraps up our tutorial for today. By following these simple steps in Photoshop, you can create beautiful merged images for your projects. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy editing.